In today's video, we're going to test what happens if you overinflate an air mattress, especially one that's been sitting in the sun. Hey guys, I'm here with Kennen, and he's going to be helping us out today.
Hi.
Kennen, tell us like 5 seconds about your background. You can go over, it's fine.
Yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, I'm Kennen, obviously, and I am a microbiologist. So I work in Chicago at Northwestern studying microbes and viruses and things that make us sick. But when I'm not doing that, I love playing with all sorts of science and science experiments.
So here we've got, I would call this science adjacent. It's an experiment of sorts. We wanted to see what happens if we overfill an air mattress, and you can see we have a few of them. The boxes are a bit crumpled on some. Don't worry about that, shouldn't affect them. Here's the basic idea. We have a few air mattresses and we want to try pumping them up until they rupture. We're gonna try this in a few different ways to see what different shapes we get before they pop. I have 3 different things I wanted to try out. First is just attach the pump and just keep pumping it until something breaks, like what part of this is gonna give first. Second, these are made of like vinyl, and if they stay out in the warm sun, they get softer and stretchier. So I wanna see if that changes how much air we can get into it before it breaks. However, these air mattresses, they have supports in them designed to make them not turn into too weird of shapes, and Kennen suggests that we try removing those supports so we can maybe get a bit different of a shape out of these things.
I'm really looking forward to watching it pop. I think that as the sun warms up this like polymer type plastic that we have, that it's gonna allow it to expand, and that our warmed up air mattress is actually gonna get bigger and hold more air than our normal one.
Before we finish popping this thing, I just want to test it out in its kind of overinflated state.
Yeah, how do you think? Did I do a good job? You comfortable?
It's a little much for me. And it's very, very warm. It's dark blue and sunlight is just shining right onto it. And so I just have heat hitting me and then hot cloth like radiating out. I'm out. I'm out. Let's just blow this thing up.
All right, sounds good. I'm always down for blowing stuff up. Oh.
Just this side where the sun.
Oh, there it was.
So one of the supports tore through. The side of the mattress didn't give out. So you can see every one of these spots is a little support ribbon down in there. And one, it just tore right through where it was connected.
So it's not really the material giving way, it's just that there's so much pressure from the support that it literally separates it.
It got so bulbous over on this end of the mattress. The curve was because the top has more sun on it. It's warmer, it's softer, and more flexible and able to expand, whereas the bottom stays cooler and doesn't expand. So I want to see if we can kind of push that to a limit. Like if we carefully warm both sides of this, can we get bigger or a different shape?
I'm down, let's give it a shot.
Okay, we've got deformation. It's already starting to banana, and I just want to let it stretch a little bit like this. And then we can flip it, let that side warm up, then we can add a little bit more air.
I like it, I like it. Work it a little bit at a time.
While we're letting that stretch, the other thing we talked about doing is severing all of the supports in another one. So I think we should grab our other air mattress. We can cut a hole in it, go in with scissors, cut all the supports, and then patch that hole back up.
All right, I have slept on patched sleeping mattresses before, so I'm confident that this is going to work.
So it can be done. We're gonna be using probably Gorilla Tape to patch it up. Hopefully that'll be strong enough to hold and not cause too many problems with our overall shape. We're doing pretty good, considering.
I believe in it. Teamwork makes the dream work.
I think we can still keep adding a little more air to this one. It's not reached a popping point yet. Interestingly though, we're not getting the same banana shape. Maybe there's enough heat on the cement that it's keeping it kind of even, but I'll add more pressure and we'll see, maybe it will start to banana. I think we do see maybe a little bit of lifting, but nowhere near as much when you were doing it. It's definitely a deformed kind of shape. No one would fill their mattress, like the sides are just bowed out quite a bit now.
See, to me, this looks like the most comfortable bed that there is.
That's where you want it, right there. That's
yeah.
All right, so we do have some banana curving. So do you think we should go for this side and let it expand as much as it can, or do you think we should try and keep flipping it to heat both sides?
I like the idea of flipping it to both sides to get it even. You know, we already saw it bow up on one side. I want to see how much we can get it to like expand completely.
I think this is hot, so maybe what we can do is just lift this up for a few minutes, get it hot, and then put it down to heat this side back up again.
I like that.
I think we even have more bowing here where the sun is on it than this side where it's in more shadow. Like this whole side looks higher and bulgier.
That's crazy. That is just crazy. So it's all the side where the plastic is getting, or the polymer is getting warmed up, is just allowing it to expand more on that side, which is why even though the sun is over in this direction, you're only getting that expansion on that half. And this is really interesting. We keep talking about like where the sun's at in positioning, and now like our banana shape is flattened out on this side, but where it can still expand over near you, it's still like rising up, or it's like a recliner now.
And so much heat is just hitting right here, so it's, I think, ballooning where the sun is hitting it.
Mm-hmm. Oh!
There it goes. Once again, the failure point, not the sides of the mattress, that all stayed strong. Let's fill one up without any supports inside. See what shape it turns into.
Sounds good.
All right, I think it's time to try our mattress with no internal supports and see what shape we get, how big it can get, and what the point of failure is.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this one. I'm hoping for a big pop.
And we'll see the initial shape just right here. This is already delightfully pillow shaped. I'm amazed when I think about how, like, that one, that was like way wider, and I think it just stretched out that much. So I think we kind of just get to see if this one will stretch like that too, but without the restrictions of the supports in the middle.
Yeah, do you think it's gonna get as wide as that other one did? Or do you think it's gonna keep like raising up like it's doing right now?
It's hard to say. I'm guessing a little wide and a lot up.
All right.
Oh no, it's all leaking out.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh, it was the inside tape. No,
I couldn't get this. It wrapped around myself. It caught me.
Oh, you had one job.
The tape won. We fought, and the tape, it's still winning. I still can't get out. Oh my gosh.
Don't worry, Nate's coming. Nate's coming.
Here, take this while I free myself. There it is. Free.
Oh. Stay with me. Stay with me.
We want you to explode, not leak to death. Our Gorilla Tape failed us. We have one more thing to try. We've got flex tape here. We're gonna do a patch of flex tape and see how it holds up. Frankly, I think the pressure in the mattress is gonna win, but we'll try.
If it can hold together a boat, it can hold together an air mattress. We hope.
We hope. Don't let us down, Phil. Fix it with flex tape. If that doesn't fix it, I don't think anything can. Okay, so now we're getting to the real stress time against our flex tape. It's starting to stretch and pull. Will the flex tape be grippy enough, or is it just gonna shear off like the Gorilla Tape did?
You can see it's starting to pull along these lines here.
Points, but I don't know if they're give up point. Oh, I feel air coming out. I feel air.
No. Oh no. No, Nate. No, no. Bigger patch.
Flex tape has failed us.
Bigger patch.
I think we have to let the flex tape take the loss.
Oh, yeah, it started pulling. Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm impressed with the size and shape we got, but in the end, even flex tape, at least if you apply it and then 5 minutes later try and not even for like 1 minute after you apply it, it doesn't matter what I'm saying. Kennen has been lost. He's been eaten by.
I feel like a cocoon. I'm gonna come out as a butterfly.
Well, it's now inflated enough you can't tell that there is a person inside.
Oh, it's like a sauna. Whew, I feel like Ryan Reynolds in that movie where he's trapped underground.
Buried.
All
right, guys, inflating air mattresses to the point of failure. On this kind of air mattress, it's the connection points that failed, and we got a lovely large pillow shape after you cut all of the supports in there. That was nice.
You did, that was a cool shape.
Now, unfortunately, we were not able to get a tape that held things together as well as the original vinyl strength, so that kept being our point of failure, but I liked the shape that we got, so that was a giant pillow shape.
Yeah.
Not the same as the mattress, and it had definitely expanded beyond its original size. Guys, if there is other stuff you want to see in the same vein, let us know. We might give it a shot, try it out. It could be fun stuff. Guys, that is it for today, but we've always got new great stuff coming out, and if you don't want to miss it, make sure you hit that button there to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Talk to you then.